Well, very good morning and welcome to Christmas Eve in Benidorm. As you can see, I'm all ready to go out and have some fun today. We're going to have a little walk round and I think we're heading up towards the old town. Bit of an outdoor disco party going on, so we're going to head up there and have a bit of fun up there. So why not come along and join us? See you in a bit. Right, that's us out and about. Weather's a little bit on the grey and dull side this morning, and there's just a little bit of drizzle in the air, but I think that's disappeared now. So we're just wandering past the Flash Hotel. We're going to head down to the main street here, have a wander around the shops, and then down on the front and head our way up to the old town. I'm going to say, a bit of a queue for the mobility scooters this morning, isn't there? Should we queue up and get one? Yeah. All queuing up to get their mobility scooters. Right, as we walk along the prom here on the Levante beach, I'm thinking back to this time last year when we were here, and I've got to say, last year was a lot busier. This is extremely quiet compared to what it was last year. Now, whether people have been sort of put off by the forecast, I don't know, but it's certainly a lot quieter than last year. As you can see, it's very grey and overcast. Although if you look over there in the distance, there's a bit of sunshine. I don't know where that is, but definitely a bit of sun shining down on that place over there. But there's time yet. You can see the sun come out a little bit later on. Bit of a cool dude, isn't he? As I say, I'm just wondering whether or not there'll be an influx of people arriving today. I know it's Christmas Eve.
Well, quite a few on, I'm on that Benidorm site.
Yeah.
Quite a few said they were flying out, yesterday and today.
Yeah. So maybe, yeah.
It's clear enough.
Sun's trying its best to get out. It's trying, but it's not quite there yet. Actually, I just noticed the yellow flag's up as well, so a bit of a caution if you're swimming. Not that I'm thinking about going for a dip, because I didn't bring my swim shorts. Oh dear, what am I like? Packed everything else but my swim shorts. Well, I suppose you can measure how busy the town is when you walk past Tiki Beach and see how quiet that is. And it's about midday and it's extremely quiet in there. So we've walked a bit further along the Levante prom. It's still not extremely busy, although I've got to say there are probably one or two more people up this way. So we're going to head into the old town and have a wander around the old town, and we'll see just how busy it is there. There's quite a lack of festive outfits as well. Not seen many people wearing Santa hats, apart from my good lady there, who's got hers on. I think the weather might just have a bit to do with how quiet it is. According to that sign there, as you see, it's nearly midday. It says 15 degrees. Not sure how accurate that is, but we'll take it anyway. It's not that cold, I must admit, it's not cold. There's a bit of drizzle in the air. I can feel a little bit of drizzle. It's not chucking it down, not yet anyway.
Nice view. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You should be doing this for charity.
Well, it's nice. Somebody's made the effort. They're the first ones we've seen. So we just come off the Levante beach area into the old town, and this is where everybody's hiding because it's very busy around the old town this afternoon. Yep, a lot more people around here. Let's have a wander through Tapas Alley, shall we? Yeah, it is a lot busier around here, isn't it? A lot more people around. So there's one thing about this area, you're never short of anywhere to eat. Yeah, a lot busier up here. This is where everybody's been hiding all day. We're all up in the old town. Wow, how busy is it down here? Very, very busy. And they've got the square all set up for the party.
Navidad es aquí, luces de colores, bailamos sin fin mientras cae la nieve, ritmo en nuestros pies, todos juntos hoy. Vamos a seguir, la fiesta no acaba, el árbol brillará con luces y amor, regalos por doquier, emoción en el aire, risas y calor, en nuestra Navidad cantan sin parar, corazones vibran, baila, baila, no pares, no pares, Navidad brillante, todos a gozar, baila, baila, todo el mundo en la pista, oh yeah, Navidad brillante, fuego y paz, brilla el corazón, oh yeah, himnos que colores, oh yeah, bailamos sin fin mientras cae la nieve, ritmo nuestros pies, el árbol y paz, brilla el corazón, ritmos que contagian noches de esplendor, familia y amigos juntos a cantar, la música y el amor nunca faltarán, baila, baila, no pares, no pares, Navidad brillante, todos a gozar, baila, baila, todo el mundo en la pista, oh yeah, Navidad brillante, que está encendida, luces del cielo, wow, wow, qué noche tan bella, danzamos sin descanso, amor a mil por hora, nadie quiere dormir, Navidad está aquí. El árbol brillará con luces y amor, regalos por doquier, emoción en el aire, risas y calor, en nuestra Navidad cantan sin parar, corazones vibran, baila, baila.
So we had a great time there up in the Benidorm Old Town. That Christmas Eve party's always great fun. Snow machines, loads of dancing music, lots of people there in the festive spirit. So we're going to head back towards the hotel. We might call and have a drink on the way. Well, the weather's picked up a bit since this morning. And when we came out, it was quite dull and grey, and as you can see, we've got nice light cloud and blue sky. And there's a few more people around than there was this morning. I hope he's paid €6 for a sunbed. That's always quite a busy little bar, the Heartbreak. Quite a few people in there. So things have picked up a bit since this morning. There are a lot more people around, and yeah, it's good to see. It's good to see that there's a few more bodies around than there was this morning. Because to be honest, this morning it was quite quiet. I think we're going to nip into the Jolly Roger, halfway point back to the hotel. Cheers, everybody. Sorry, Lee. I know it's your catchphrase. Everybody says it.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Lee don't watch my channel. Like nobody on YouTube. I'm going to head back to the hotel, have a chill out for an hour, have a bit of dinner, and we'll catch you later on this evening.
A few moments later.
So, folks, I bumped into what is probably known as Benidorm celebrity, an icon. It's Frank the Stagman.
And look at this, mate. Stewie Travel, mate. Stewie Travel on YouTube. Give him a follow. If you're not following that, I'm sure you are already following because you're smart, right? Yeah, how you doing, man?
I'm all right, yeah. So, Benidorm at Christmas. It seems quiet this year.
Really?
Well, we've walked down the Levante prom.
Yeah. Take a look in here.
I tell you what.
Do you know what it is?
If you're quiet, Benidorm's dead.
Yeah, the thing is this, right? A lot of people do say it's quiet, and I totally appreciate what you're saying. But when you come to somewhere like Benidorm, it's all up here. You don't need every bar open. You only need the ones enough to have a good time. Like, for example, on the Strip in the evening, there are a few clubs and bars open. Nowhere near as many as there is in main season. Obviously, that's just common sense. But the reality is those ones are busy, so you're still able to have an amazing night. I think a lot of people kind of that sort of say that I forgot where I was, and they said Ibiza, that they say Benidorm is quiet. They're saying it, but what they're kind of forgetting is the fact that people are still coming out and having an amazing time. Do you need every place open? Do you need every place full? No, you just need enough places busy and full.
Yeah.
And that we've got.
Yeah, I think we just took it from last year we were here. We walked down the Levante beach in the morning and it was really, really busy. Today.
Well, it was hard work for me to drive the Lambo down there this morning.
Was it?
Being honest, yeah, it was busy.
We must have hit it, the quiet time, not peak time.
Combination, Spanish, tourist, a lot of Spanish down for Christmas as well. And but I think, I think on the beachfront, I think a lot of places like that, you're going to find people are sort of nestled in bars like this.
Yeah.
So there's no way of judging it. Even in the season, it can be a little bit quiet
I think it depends on weather as well.
The promenades, because then they're on the beach or they're in a bar having a drink.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's totally get.
So the new business.
Awesome, mate. Yeah, amazing. We're so excited.
Yeah.
We're excited, but we're tired.
Yeah.
So it's great timing, but bad timing because we're actually really shattered. We're tired. And but yeah, I mean the new business. I mean when you think about it, have you seen this in season or have you seen this?
No.
Any other time other than Christmas?
No.
All this is all full of people standing. We don't have even. We've probably got 5% of these tables because we need the floor space. And then here we're all full. The path is full. So all of that's going to take up that with more people in Rock and Ribs. We've got a lot more space there. And then we're looking to keep the restaurant at the far end, which is the Malta Pasta. it's a Italian theme, but we're going to be changing that. We're already changing it. It's just we've only had it for 2 weeks. It takes time.
Well, great. Well, look,
Well,
it's been great to meet.
And you, my friend, and you.
Nice
and
to see
remember,
you.
these guys are class.
Nice to meet you. There's Benidorm
And you,
icon,
mate.
Frank the Stagman.
Thank you
If
very
you're in
much,
Benidorm, well, it goes without saying.
Yeah.
You've got to come down to the Stagman bar. You've got to try his restaurant. And let us know in the comments below if you have, because we'll all be interested to know.
Yeah, Frank, these guys are really cool. Thank you very much, and I have watched a few of your videos in a class, mate. Keep it up. And
Thanks,
also remember,
brother.
Happy Christmas.
Absolutely.
Happy Christmas.
And a happy Christmas to you and your
my
family.
friend, and of course, Happy New Year. Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
And you, darling. Lovely to see you.
Cheers. Thanks, mate. There we go, folks. The icon that is Frank the Stagman.